In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside mirror glass on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta wagon. These are going to be located on the front doors. Let's get into it. Now, to prevent the glass from breaking on the old one, we're just going to take some tape and just tape it up. I'm going to push down on the mirror so you can get in from the top. And I'm just going to use a pick. Just try to reach in behind. Just try to pry it out a little bit. There's some clips holding it in. Just want to get in between the clips and release it. There we go. Those are the clips. You're just trying to get underneath there and pop that out. Then we have the connections for the heated mirrors. We're going to disconnect those. Now, just with some needle nose pliers, we're going to take these terminals off. Just near the base, just grab them, just try to pry them up. There we go. I'll take the new mirror. There's a clip. You need to add that. Just get that lined up. It's just like a spring clip. Push that on like that. That's good. Now we're going to connect the connectors for the heater. Just line those up and push those on. Just make sure they're not touching. Okay, that's good. Line up the glass. And then you just want to push in the center of the glass. You don't want to push on the edges, otherwise you're going to crack the glass. Just push in the center. Just use your fist until it clips in place. That's good. Clean it off and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.